Blessed be and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a spell to bring more peace and protection into your home and hopefully keep it that way. But before we dive into that, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you're wanting to improve your spell crafting and have more successful outcomes with your spell work, have a look at the spellcaster checklist. It's a list of things to consider and ask yourself and to explore to make your spell crafting more useful to you and a little more realistic, basically. So if you want the link to that, it's in the description field below this video. Now, when it comes to bringing peace into the home, this spell is here to help influence your environment. It's there to help you bring more peace into the home. If you are in a home environment that is dangerous to your health and to you in any way, then you need to be figuring out a way to get out. This spell isn't going to rescue you from a very, very dangerous situation. It may help if you're using a lot of spell crafting for various different aspects of your situation, but it isn't something that's going to fix a home environment if it is particularly violent. It's just something that you can use in conjunction with other means until you get out of there. Generally, this is to bring more peace into the home and to protect your home environment from anything coming in from the outside into your environment. So for this, all you need is some dragon's blood. This is some powder that I have scraped off an incense stick. So if you don't have the actual resin itself, then just use some powder from incense. I'm also using some sugar and salt and a matchbox. I don't have an envelope on me at the moment, so I won't be going through that aspect. But essentially what this spell is a binding spell. You're trying to bind peace and protection, those energies, into your home. So when you put the herbs into your box and you enchant your box and then pop it in an envelope and seal the envelope, it's the envelope and the sealing of the envelope that binds the magic to the home. Dragon's blood is good at banishing negative energy. So the first place you want to start is to banish any negative energy that may be there already. So that's why we use the dragon's blood. We use the salt for protection. It's also another banishing agent, but it also helps with protection and that protection energy. So that anything that comes into your home, that negative energy or harmful energy is going to be dealt with via the magic. Now, the sugar is a really important aspect because the sugar brings sweetness to the home. You could also use honey, but honey is a little messy. But anything that's sweetening, you can use to replace sugar, but sugars are pretty easy to come across anyway, and it's pretty inexpensive to buy. So do use sugar. You can use any type of sugar. It can be white sugar, brown sugar, raw sugar. So don't worry about what type of sugar it is. It's the sweetness of the sugar that you're using, and that's what it's corresponding to. Sweetness puts a smile on your face. Okay, it makes you feel good. When you've got all of your herbs together, you will get your matchbox. Now you can draw symbols on your box if you want. You can paint over it and draw symbols on your box. I'm just going to use a normal matchbox at the moment. You may want to also cleanse and consecrate your box before you start this. So again, using an incense stick, you could use the dragon's blood incense and just put your box through the incense and just imagine that any unwanted energy is just being dissolved and transformed into positive, protective, and peaceful energy. You can do that entirely with your imagination as you are running the box through your incense. And then after you've done that, you're ready to put your ingredients into the box. So when you do the dragon's blood, just putting it into your box, say over the box so that you're using your voice to vibrate the energy over the box. Dragon's blood, bring protection into this home. Banish all unnecessary anger from this home. So with your salt, put that in your box. Shake it around a bit so that you're blending things together. salt. Remove all malevolent energy and intent from this home. Protect this home. Protect this home. Protect this home from all harmful energy and intent. And last, you want to add your sugar. This sugar to sweeten all bitterness of thought and feeling in this home, bringing peace and delight into this home. Shaking the ingredients together. Just say over it, bring peace to this home, bring peace to this home, bring peace to this home. And as you're saying that over and over and over again, for however long you want to say it, the longer, I'm not going to say the longer the better, but if you can say it at least 50 to 100 times, then you're really getting the energy into this. And as you're saying it, just imagine that you're drawing energy from all around you, all of that chi energy, that psychic energy from all around you, and it's all going into this box. And that what's going into this box is peace and protection. And you do that as you're saying the chant. That's why it's good to chant this quite a number of times, because it may take you a while to get into the feel of bringing peace and protection. It may take you a while to get into the feel of the psychic energy around you and that you're drawing it through your mind into the box. So don't worry about having to say the chant too many times. Just say it for as long as you feel you need to say it. Say it for as long as you feel it. You need to say it in order for that energy to really be contained in the box. Then once you're finished with that, you just close up your box. And then you will have an envelope. You just pop it into the envelope, seal the envelope. And if you want to say something when you do that, you can just say, I now seal and bind peace and protection to this home. Then place your envelope with your box in it somewhere where no one else in your home is going to find it. So this is a spell for you that you're keeping somewhere that only you know about and that no one else is going to find. And like we do with all magic, we don't talk about the magic that we've done and we don't share it with other people simply because we don't want their, perhaps their negative influences influencing us and the magic itself. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.